Okay, I just wanted to do a follow-up on my last video. It turns out that my strong misanthropic principle has been corroborated by the latest study of what do you call them? Anyway, they basically have said that dark energy does not exist, and what's causing the accelerating expansion of the universe is actually just time as a force and due to relativity. So just as I said, the time slows down as it goes towards the speed of light, but then when you have matter, the time is faster. So just that difference is what's causing the acceleration. Is when they look at the matter quasars. That's what they're studying. So they studied like 1,500 quasars, and they found out that the acceleration is due to relativity. And so there's no need for dark energy, but it proves that time itself is a type of force. And up till now, standard physics has considered time to be just a spatial dimension that's a byproduct of measuring matter. So when you have relativity, you have two different reference frames of matter that you're measuring. But based on this model, the time will just keep slowing down as a expansionary force, and the claim is that eventually this would cause the universe to then collapse again. But that's ignoring the quantum time. So the matter would eventually collapse into black holes as black hole singularities, and then all the black holes will then collapse into a huge black hole. And this is what Roger Penrose explains. So Nobel physicist Roger Penrose says that the great secret of the universe is that the Big Bang started from asymmetric time that was highly coherent due to quantum negentropy. So this means that instead of the universe collapsing, the acceleration of space and the slowing down of time eventually causes the Hawking radiation of the final black hole to then be the source of the next Big Bang from the quantum negentropy. So you have a second time from the future that's entangled with the time slowing down from the past of the Big Bang. In other words, the oldest matter of the universe is what we see accelerating out in space as the slowing down of time. And So instead of the universe collapsing, it actually already has the future as a quantum non-locality that's an asymmetric time. And by asymmetric, it means it's an eternal motion that creates the next universe. But what Roger Penrose emphasizes is that because it's fundamental time, there's no spatial scale, there's absolutely no sense of size in the truth of the universe. And so this is what's very difficult for people to accept. But that's the secret of quantum non-locality, is that the pure force of time is the future and past overlapping with no sense of size and no scale, no spatial scale. And so it's nice to have my model corroborated with the cutting edge science that just got published in the past couple months. And let's see, that's pretty much all I want to say right now. So